Okay, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and I'm back, and we're on unboxing number 3. Yay, yay. And I don't know why I do this every time, but guess what? I'll know for the future. Okay, I'm gonna stick this over closer to that way, okay? Hey, that works. Let's wedge this here. Okay, so box 3. Hey, fancy. Okay. Woo! Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, I already peeked at the top stuff. So these are, so I just knew what I was headed into. Envelopes, and they're beautiful. I feel like these are definitely probably ordered. I mean, they're gorgeous. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? So those are gonna be nice. Oh man. The stuff is just amazing. More. These envelopes, aren't those cool? And then these little boquitos. These are cute. These are darling. Look at there. Little card. Aren't those cool? Cute. How cute are those? Sorry guys, I know they're like they have a really smooth texture. So aren't those cute? Some envelopes. And then these are some of those really like light embellishments, like flowers. Aren't those cool? They're just like cut out of all kinds of papers. So those are fun. Okay. We have that. Put that back in there. Okay, and then we have some more. Looks like more envelopes. Aren't those cool? Oh, these are pretty. Those are going to be fun. Oh, look at that. Date, event. Those are going to be cool. All those different envelopes. Oh, so you guys have to tell me. These are so cool. I feel like, you know, I'm going to really take my little kits to the next level for people to start building, make it easier. Because it's really hard to have a lot of time to make all this stuff all the time, right? So, I love these. So she sent me these before. They're like a little trifold. These are different folds. How cute. This almost looks like the start to small books, right? How cute. Oh, I can't wait to create with those. Okay. Those. This is tape. And this one in here. Put that in there. There we go. Okay. And it looks like we have some more of these little folds here. Aren't those cool? So, and those are in all different colors, patterns, just like what you just saw in the last one. And there's some more of that tape. And ooh, I love this. I saw this was in the very first video. This pink stuff for Christmas. Good, because the Christmas challenge actually started today, and so I wanted to be able to. Oh, bless your heart! Thank you, you guys. Thank you, thank you. I can start the Christmas challenge. Okay, I gotta calm down. Hold on. So, cute bag, gather, and then I'm gonna set all the Christmas stuff in one spot because I don't know what's in here. I think it's like tags and napkins, tags. Cool. Like a tag. Cool. So I'm gonna put all the Christmas over here. So these are all Christmas. Yes. Christmas. These are not Christmas, but oh, these are cute. This bag is Christmas. Let me use that bag. And then paper source. Oh, this is how you, so the paper source, you guys, I'm gonna check them out, but that's how you would fold an envelope. How cool is that? That's smart. Smart thinking. Cool. Okay, let's see here. So she sent prayer cards, which I always can use. Look how many there are. Oh, yes. Yes. There's so many. Yes. Yes. Yay. I don't even care if they're duplicates because I can use them in journals to give away. Yes. So awesome. Look at this. Look at this fabric. And then on this card, how fun is that? That's cool. Okay, I'm putting that to the side. There's some things that are just like amazing. Gathering, gathering. I feel like I've seen this before. Ooh. I think those are, I don't know, can you guys tell? Are they little, like angel? And then, oh, they're just, you would add your more beads on there. Okay, I'm gonna put that behind me in the jewelry. And, because I have jewelry out right now. I've been making, look at this. That's just gorgeous. So I'm gonna interrupt this broadcast to show you what I've been making. So I've been making these for the sides of the journals. Aren't those cute? This one has an angel and a flower and then a button and then it's a rose. And then this was just like a piece of it, an earring, I think it was. And then a little cross and a bell. And then there's some stones from one of my old gold bracelets. Aren't those gorgeous? So pretty. So that's what I've been making. All right, let's keep going here. Ooh, there's some reds and some greens. Look at that. So I'm gonna put that in Christmas. That's some cool. Look at this. Let's look a little closer because this is so cool. I could totally make a journal that color. Oh, I'll have to give you guys a tour of my fabric one day. It's outrageous. I have so much fabric. That's why I'm like, okay, I need to put some kits together. I may even ship some free kits to some people just to say hello. And if you're interested in that, you know what? Email me. I'll, you know, if you're a junk journaler out there that'll promote someone, hey, I'm open. Okay, now let's see what's in here. These are all individually. It's almost like these are painted or something. Let's just take one out. See what we have. Oh, how pretty. Wow. Look how gorgeous. Wow. And look at these bags already with them. And there's so many of them. Let's see how many there are. Gorgeous. Look at these. Gorgeous. You can tell these are probably bought from an Etsy shop, maybe. But I just, you know what? These are amazing. They're beautiful. And whoever made them, these are amazing. Amazing. And Make sure you put your logo on them next time. Just saying. I know it's hard to remember all these things, but just, our company, we're like, okay, so every time we make a journal, we give you a free sample soap, right? And so we just made these like little stickers, like cheap. I mean, I'm just saying it gets the job done, and just stick that on those, like every single one. Oh, bam, bam, bam. That's so awesome. And then you'll always know, like your logo will always pop up whenever someone gets something donated to them. Then you know who it came from, so they can order. Look at this. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. I gotta use that in my journal. Oh, I'm leaving that out. Nice. Okay. Ooh, yes, yes. Amazing. Look at that. Ooh, that one. I love this. I love this. I have to pull it out to show you, because this stuff is like dreamy, dreamy, dreamy. Oh, I love that. Okay, had to show you. Love this. Oh man. Oh, I can't wait. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to make a couple of series here. Okay, so then she sent me, ooh, and all Christmas. Yes. I'm gonna take the paper out for a second, and we're gonna go right to appliques. Look at those. I don't want to take them all out, but man, look at that. Look at that one. Look at that with the sequins. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, we are going to have a blast. Oh, some stickers. And look, this is, I have this stuff too, but I love it. I love that she sent me some. And then there is Christmas. Christmas. This is next year. Beautiful. What is this? Crafter's Gonna Craft. Ooh, child. That is a good one to share. Okay. And then Beautimus. Ooh, I'm ready. I'm going to do this Christmas challenge, y'all. I'm going to do it. I'm excited. This is cute. Oh. She sent me stamps. What a blessing. Oh, these are cool. I love them. I love them. Look at that. Yay. Thank you, you guys. Thank you, Uncle, for like putting all these boxes together. Yay. Look at that. Cool. Yay. Okay. We got through the box. Amazing. Okay, I'm not putting any of the Christmas away. So we're going to put this in here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. This is amazing. I've been doing this for a while, but I've never just come on and do the videos. So now I'm on here and I'm doing the videos. So I'm getting everything up and going, and I feel like these packages have just arrived at the perfect time, because this is when I'm really launching. So this is like, I have all the fabric. I've been dyeing the paper for 3 years. I have so much paper, and our website is really big, and I still have tons of inventory to put on it, but I at least wanted to come on here and give it a whirl. So anyways, yay. This is so fantastic. I am so excited for Christmas. And guys, we still have one box. that is not open, and it is a complete mystery to what's in it. So we're going to see what's in it in just a minute, okay? This was box 3. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Junk Journaling Jen. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in the very next one. Take care.